Hello everyone, this is my project demonstration video for edX course CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. This is the homepage of the website. Here is a little information about artificial intelligence. Here is a citation for Wikipedia. The objectives of this Project Zero were to become familiar with HTML and CSS and to learn to use SCSS. So according to the requirements, the website must have at least 4 different HTML pages and each one of them should be linked to the other with the help of hyperlinks. The website must include at least one ordered list and at least one unordered list and at least one table. The website must have at least one style sheet file. Here is the style sheet file. There must be at least 5 different CSS properties and selectors used in the project, and the ID and class selectors should be used. So they are all here used. The style sheet must have at least one mobile responsive query. Here it is. We must use Bootstrap for our website and use at least one component and columns and grid models on our website. So here they are. So according to requirements, we must use at least one SCSS variable and we must use SCSS nesting and at least one use of SCSS inheritance. So here they are: variables, nesting and inheritance. The project must include the readme file. Here it is. In this website I have used this Bootstrap navbar, which can be used to view different pages on this site. We have this sitemap page which links to other web pages, and this brand mark can be used to navigate to the home page of the website. This website is also mobile friendly. Every page on this website is mobile friendly. So that's all. This was my project Zero. Thank you.